Is your indoor garden stuck in the dark ages? Tired of lackluster growth and disappointing yields? Discover how the KingLed KP1500 Grow Light can revolutionize your indoor gardening experience. The KingLed KP1500 is a 150 WBU full-spectrum LED grow light designed for indoor plants. It's perfect for hobby growers, commercial operations, and even beginners. This grow light can help you achieve optimal plant growth from seedling to harvest. This grow light is designed to mimic natural sunlight. It provides your plants with the essential wavelengths they need. This ensures healthy growth, vibrant blooms, and abundant fruiting. The KP1500 boasts 864 high-quality LEDs, including red, blue, white, and yellow. This delivers a balanced spectrum for all growth stages. It covers a 2x4 FT area, making it ideal for grow tents and hydroponic setups. It features 3 modes: veg, bloom, and veg and bloom. This allows you to customize the light spectrum to your plant's specific needs. The adjustable intensity ensures optimal growth at every stage. This LED grow light consumes only 150 watts. It offers the same performance as traditional grow lamps while saving energy. Its high PPFD output of 1680 UMOL M2As at 6 inches promotes faster and stronger plant growth. The aluminum heat sink and high-speed mute fans ensure efficient heat dissipation. This keeps the temperature within the optimal range of 50 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. This prevents overheating and extends the lifespan of the light. The KingLed KP1500 operates at 110 volts and 60 Hz. It emits 4960 lumens of brightness with a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin. The light has a color rendering index, CRI, of 80, ensuring accurate color representation. It's designed for indoor use and features a rectangular shape made of metal. The package includes a metal hanger, power cord, and adjustable hanger rope. The product dimensions are the 10.5 W x 3.3 H, and it weighs 4.94 pounds. With an average rating of 4.6 stars from over 1,200 reviews, users rave about its performance. One verified buyer said, "Plants grow like weeds. It's amazing." Another user highlighted its build quality and simple setup. Users appreciate the light's ability to promote vigorous growth and its energy efficiency. Many have noted a significant increase in yield and resin production. The integrated fans keep the light cool, ensuring optimal plant health. Compared to traditional grow lights, the KP1500 offers full-spectrum lighting with lower power consumption. It provides efficient heat dissipation and adjustable modes. Plus, it comes with a 3-year professional service and a 90-day return policy. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or flowers, this light is versatile and easy to use. Its durable design and efficient cooling system ensure hassle-free operation. It's perfect for year-round indoor gardening. Don't let your plants struggle in the dark. Upgrade to the KingLed KP1500 Grow Light today and witness the difference. Click the link in the description to check the current price and availability of the KingLed KP1500 on Amazon. Link in description for a best deal. See the product details and customer reviews. Start growing healthier, more vibrant plants now.